Harley factory in North Kansas City, Missouri. We're going in for the tour. It's a tobacco-free campus. The Harley plant. They don't let you do any filming in there, so I'm not really sure how this is going to work, other than I probably don't need to take this camera in. So this is the first motorcycle. Ken's kind of looking out here. You can't take any pictures inside. Here's Ken inspecting it. Ken said he needs this motor on his motorcycle. It's a twin cam 88. 4-stroke, 45 degree, 1450 cc. Then he thinks he might need this one instead. So this is the paint area. They talk about the sheet metal paint. There's a lady, I don't know what she's doing, wiping it. Some of the sheet metal. This is the assembly. You can see they don't wear ordinary clothes for a factory. They're just wearing shorts and steel-toed shoes. Oh, now we're to the gift shop. Oh, Lordy. Adding some color. You can see what the workers look like. So we're in the movie room. It started in 1903, and I think this is about all. We're done with our factory tour. It was really informative, and I highly suggest that people go when they're in the Kansas City area. They've got others spread around the U.S. too, and there's a museum up in Milwaukee we might have to hit sometime. This is security. His tag's in the window. We're back at the Lazy T. This is across the street where the cows are. And then we're back to the front of our house. Joyce gave me all these bulbs when I saw her in Billings, so hopefully they're going to be blooming here soon. This is my rock garden. Looks like it's the only garden that grew while I was gone. 6,100 miles later. Our neighbor mowed while we were gone. It all looks pretty good. Ken's been mowing all week. It's Saturday, but we got home Monday night. Overall, we had a great time. Until we see you in the fall, goodbye.